What?
I look for a little man.
Wait, where him do?
How it go?
My dear sir, the man come and borrow 6 pounds out of my dinner money and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Say him a going a game.
Good.
And when I pass through, like him will give me back.
Good.
Lo and behold, him send him picnic with 5 pounds.
Tell me, you want to know something? You kill the man for penny?
That is my bread, brother. And I'm not killing you.
Then, wait now. I like my good friend over there now. You not kill him for a penny?
Oh, you mean kill him, yes? No money.
Wait no close. Like oh you have good pastor from long time. You not kill me for a penny?
No, man, no. I wouldn't kill you for that.
Right.
But you see like how me and you is good friend and thing? I'd a kill you for nothing.
Wait!
Listener?
Yeah.
Only did hear what the bed bug said to the other one.
What? No, what say?
I'll meet you in the spring.
Yes! Bam! You see all the chick they know? I'd just married it and go on the honeymoon right away.
Honeymoon?
You don't know honeymoon?
No.
Oh, man, you don't know nothing about marriage. All right, I'm going to ask you a question. Why is it that honeymoon can't last more than 6 days? Why?
I would know.
You don't know?
No.
Because 7 days make a whole week. Mom! You know, sir, I was reading a book this evening.
How it go?
And the book said that animal is superior to man.
I don't believe that.
Yes, I believe it. He said animal is superior to man.
Which animal that?
You know why animal is superior to man? Because man spring from animal.
No, sir. No, sir. Man is the highest.
And you know what animal man spring from?
Which animal that?
Monkey.
No, sir. No.
So you must agree with me that man spring from monkey.
Well, to be honest, you Bin, after looking at you, man will spring from monkey. Don't mind the people in my love. That is mind over matter.
Mind over matter, of course, yes?
Yes, and I go, you don't mind, it don't matter.
No, you was telling me about...
Wait, Bin, no, you know. I come here about 2 weeks before you.
Yes.
Now, right in the land, you know.
Yeah.
Them are some barber, man, them are some funny way of going to see, brother.
Barber?
Yeah. I can't remember the name of the street, them on the road.
Yeah.
But you have one barber shop over some. And one over some. One mark, we trim this side for 5 and 6. Over that side, mark, we trim this side for 7 and 6.
Wait, let me get it straight. It's 2 barber shops.
Yeah.
One over this side and one over this side.
Right.
One mark, we trim this side
5
and 6. And this one is we trim this side
7
for
and
7 and 6.
No, if you was in my position and a poor boy, which one did that trim?
If I look at you, I got the 5 and 6 one.
Exactly, the same thing I do. When I go to the barber shop, down sit up on the chair, so in less than a time,
what happened?
The barber said, I'm finished. So when I look in the mirror now, I see one side of my head trim.
One side?
So I said to him, say,
Later, go on. You see one side of your head trim?
yeah. So him say, in finish. And I say, Barber, what happened? Say, can't you read?
Can't you read?
Can't you read? I say, yes. He said, look at that. We trim this side for 5 and 6.
So what you do now?
I'm going to go over the other side, I'm going to trim the other side over 7 and 6.
Bam. I can't understand your argument. Let me just come to some stupid argument.
Right.
You know you're born like a cannibal.
Cannibal?
Yes.
I mean, it doesn't matter because I don't know what is cannibal.
Wait a minute. An intelligent man like you don't know what is a cannibal?
I said, I don't know what is cannibal.
All right. Suppose you was to eat your mother and your father. What would you be?
A half fan. You're talking about that. You know, I hear say, right in a London, yeah. I only a bad man and bad boy all about, yeah. But then I tell you something, means the bodies. No, not true thing. Because me name bad man Bamiko. And it's three bad man them have in a London. But no, I ain't them. I, myself and me. So, my job is to beat up all bad man in a London tonight. Oh, so don't think about any trying thing. Oh, me different too. Don't me come, bro. Don't me come out. Don't try to do.
Hey, Mr. Bang. Are you Mr. Bang?
Yes, sister.
What, brother?
Like what?
2 nights now, I got 3 nights now, you not come home, sir.
Oh, sister, you don't know my work already. It's a beat up bad man skin.
But that no say.
Good.
And all the foot and thing, then I wash and thing,
Not
man.
talk that so loud, man. The foot thing all right.
And you make I cook up my nice fish tea. And put my nutritious condensed milk in it. And you don't come home fit.
Well, all right, sister. Keep quiet then and go on back.
Man, you allowance cut off
You
your
can't
hair,
do a thing like
master.
that and you know, say, I love you. You can't do that.
Well, listener,
Yes, sister.
I go home, go cook some more, you hear, master?
Good.
And you try come home fit, you see?
All right.
Or else you allowance cut
No, you
off.
can't do that, sister. No, sister.
Oh.
Direct.